Hello, teacher. My name is Luis Fernando Pineda Garcia. And yours? Hi, my name is Paula Liliana Cadena. Nice to meet you, teacher. How will you remember to stay motivated about your goals? Students, I will tell myself that I am strong and can do it. Teacher, that's good. What will help you when you feel tired or scared? Students, I think a bigger power will guide me and give me strength even when things are hard. Teacher, how will you start your day? Students, I will wake up each day with a reason, knowing my life as meaning. Teacher, how will learning English help you on our path? Students, learning English will be a big part of my path. Even when it's hard, I will keep trying. Teacher, what will make you continue when things are difficult? Students, I will high cut this far because something bigger than me will believe in what I can do, and I will believe in myself too.